All right, what's up everyone, and hello everybody, and what's up everybody, and hello everyone. I'm here returning back to Golden Mile, Pittsburgh, PA. So I came from a different direction, and so this, I thought today would be nice to check out one of my favorite car washes ever since I was nearby this direction. And it's called the Car Wash Country in Golden Mile, where they have 6 hand wash do-it-yourself bays down there, and 3 others over here, which says, 3 right here, 3 hand wash bays right here, and 6 others down there. And of course, touch-free automatic, which is a Magic Wand Nexus Vortex. Now, hold on a second. Now, here's the deal. I just got told that, that the Magic Wand Nexus automatic wash might be no longer running because it's using for storage, which is so sad. But the machine is still in there, but it's no longer running. I think something's either wrong. Yeah, so the machine is still in there, so so I think that what I got heard is it might be getting replaced. It's so sad. So the bay is completely dry. I'm into this. Trying to get hold of the car wash, but someone told me this location it's no longer running. So and my back is okay. So but this car wash equipment right here is Mark 7. I remember judging by the sign. It says Mark 7 right there. Judging by that, it says but this bay is broken. And once again, here's your automatic wash. It says exact amount of change. So this car wash is no longer running. I think automatic, but it's a Magic Wand Nexus. So once again, we have our wash options. We have Express, which is $5. It comes with warm pre-soak, high pressure wash, spot-free rinse, and then the deluxe wash is $7. It comes with tax included. Tax included comes with under by side blasters, warm pre-soak, hot foaming bath, high pressure wash, spot-free rinse. And then our Supreme wash is $8. It comes with a tax including, comes with under by side blasters, warm pre-soak, hot foaming bath, high pressure wash, click over 10, which is the wax, spot-free rinse, and dry. And then the ultimate is $9. It comes, the tax includes the best value, and comes with warm pre-soak. Let's say it differently. Then we got our triple foam polish, which is the polish where you clean your teeth every 6 months. Checkup. I just enjoy seeing that. Then we have a spot-free rinse. Then we have a hot foaming bath, hot warm underbody side blasters, high pressure wash, and spot-free rinse, and spot-free rinse, and power dry. And this close 10 feet though. Our instructions, magic spray, and then our sign. I would like to contact this one, but I gotta figure out the number. I wish I'd like be an email. Yeah, this is the automatic cashier. It says use Excel change. So, and the orange cone, because it's been a while. I was hoping for the automatic to see what's going on. But it's no longer running, I'm guessing, because that's what somebody told me. Yeah, you can see the machine inside, but the doors are so dirty. It's just I don't know. I don't hate the owner, but if he doesn't want to take care of it, I would like to hate him. But I would seriously hate him if he doesn't. The owner, if he doesn't, or she doesn't. And so, yeah. So this car wash, the Magic Wand Nexus, car wash country, and Magic Wand Nexus, yeah, it's still the same. Nothing has changed. Anyway, across the street we have the Holiday Animal Park, which is like veterinary hospital where my mom's friend Charlie and my mom goes. Down there, there's 2 more car washes, like an Odd-Tech and those 2 things. But it's not. But I don't like Odd-Tech because it rips me as self-touch. I don't see touch free. So I guess this place is still for sale, so I'm not sure. So yeah, so just a small update on this car wash country and Magic Wand Nexus Vortex and Greensburg, PA. With that being said, everyone, as always, there's the sign. So as always, that being said, thank you for watching, and I will turn back sometime soon, eventually. All right, see you guys.